Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
This is the unboxing of Atuvos Air Tracker tags. With Atuvos Air Tracker tags you may effortlessly find your lost items. If your belongings are with Atuvos Air Tag Tracker and it is lost within Bluetooth range which is up to 60 meters, simply play the sound on the Find My app, or ask Siri for help. Even when your item is outside of Bluetooth range, the Find My network, connecting millions of Apple devices globally, can help locate your belongings without extra fees. If you accidentally leave your tracker behind or disconnects from the Bluetooth, the Apple Find My app sends instant notifications. Atuvos Item Finders has an anti-tracking function. If someone's tracker falls on you, your Apple devices will detect it and send a message, or it will emit a sound to let you know. Plus, the location data and history records on the Find My app are encrypted and will not be stored on the tracker. The Atuvos Tag Tracker IP67 waterproof tracker boasts replaceable, long-lasting batteries, up to 1 year. Its unique cover design also prevents children from opening the device easily. Customers find the Bluetooth item finder works like an AirTag, with brilliant location accuracy and easy setup. They consider it high quality and good value, with one customer noting it saved them within days of purchase. The battery life and connectivity receive mixed feedback. While some say the battery life will be good, others report it dying quickly, and while some devices pair perfectly, others have connection issues. The size receives mixed opinions, with some finding it very small while others note it's too big for car keys. The tag uses the iOS Find My software, which has perfectly reasonable limitations. Find My is included with iOS software and is subscription-free. Find My uses other iOS devices in the vicinity for triangulation. So, if your missing device is in a busy town center, Find My will pinpoint it pretty much to the nearest inch. If your device is lost in a remote area, triangulation is likely to be poor. But Find My will pinpoint the device's last known location. Find My will live track movement but will not record movement. So have realistic expectations and you'll be delighted. Also, you can use Find My to make the Atuvos tag beep. The battery is replaceable, quick and easy to get up and running with keys now traceable. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a great day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.